Making slime, so I'm going to show you the ingredients really fast. First you'll need a lid, then you'll need a mixing container, then you'll need mixing tools, you'll need some activator, you'll need some glue, and you'll need some a container put it in, but I'm mixing it in with this slime. Okay, this is how you make slime. You need a container with a lid, you need some glue, you need your activator. If you're making focus slime, you need shaving cream and then mix it up. Then you add your activator. But I'm making a regular slime. Then you mix it all up in the mixing bowl. This is kind of the consistency. Keep mixing it. I'll be right back when it's done. At this point, you usually play with the hands, but if you have more slime and you want to mix it into it, you can. But you would usually play with the slime in your hands by now. But if you have this, like me, if you're doing this technique like me, you can just dump your slime into your already made slime and fold it, poke it. So you can mix all in.